What up to YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very awesome, very cool, and it's a great flyer. It glides, sometimes it goes in circles, does backflips. So this is what we're making today. And let's get started. You're also going to need scissors, this, and yourself. Okay. So you're going to start off by folding it in half. Then you're going to keep it like this. Grab this top corner, fold it down. You're going to flip the other side, grab this top corner, fold it down. Then you're going to take it like this and flip it over, and you're already done with that part. Now you're going to you're going to take it all the way till this line right here and fold it down. Then you see this crease right here? You're going to fold it all the way to the other side. Then grab your scissors, hold it right here. Make a little cut right here and a little cut right here. Throw those out of the way. Take your scissors, put them over there. Now it's going to look like this. And you're going to fold it down like this. And do the same on the other side. Now you're going to end up like this. You're going to grab this piece, fold it up, fold it backwards. Now, like this. Grab the wing, fold it all the way down. Grab this wing, fold it all the way down. Then, there's your paper airplane. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!